Set.
Olivia Keller takes control in the back straight.
Come on, Jenna! Come on, buddy!
Well, Kendall Stingle coming on. Challenging for second place.
Come on, Jenna! Come on, Jenna!
It's Keller and Stingle. Stingle and Greg Dunn.
Come on, Bean!
Olivia Keller, St. Thomas, crossing in first position.